a great choice today with the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500.
The Chevy Silverado 1500 is the perfect combination of functionality, reliability, and technology. The impressive interior is simply another reason that the Chevy Silverado is a top choice among truck buyers.
This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, OnStar, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, compass, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, Sirius Satellite Radio, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.